My name is Tiffany Gibson. I'm the marketing manager at DLZ. DLZ is we're considered a large architecture and engineering firm. We were using Deltek as our CRM. We knew that, we didn't have company-wide adoption. With Deltek Vision, we had an unlimited number of user licenses, but not a lot of people were using it because, number one, you had to be on the network to access all the data, and then also just the complexity of it all. It's not easy to use. So we considered moving to Vantage Point, and honestly, it just really wasn't as user-friendly as it seemed as Unanet was. The interfaces are a little differently, and even though they're both, I think, web-based, Unanet looked a lot easier to use, and I know that kind of sounds like a program doesn't need to look good, but it really does. The look of the interface was really important to us because we really wanted our users to actually look at the program, feel like it was something easy for them to understand and to use, and Unanet was that. Right now, our system is used primarily for marketing, business development, and then we have probably about 80 or so project managers that have a license as well. So it's not just marketing, but marketing is a big part of it, and we were really the users of Deltek. And so when we switched to Unanet, being able to give licenses to some of our technical staff was really important to us. I think we were drawn to Unanet the most just because of all of the features. Like, it came with the mobile app, it came with the Outlook plugin. That to us is important because a lot of our project managers don't ever go into the web browser Unanet. They go right from their Outlook plugin to add contacts, or, once we saw how easy it was to do that right from the mobile app and from the plugin. And, the biggest thing for us, we're a big firm, so we want as many users as possible to use the system. It helps marketing, it helps BD, it helps the company, and so that was really important to us. So the support we received was really, really good. They know us. Anybody in support, if you ask them about DLZ, they probably know us because we was on the phone with them a lot in the very beginning, because like I said, we went from Deltek Vision with no support, to Unanet, to a different software system. For marketing especially, Unanet has really impacted us in a sense that it helps us to be more efficient. The data that we need to do our jobs is all in one place. We're able to report on it. We have a pretty good system of getting the data updated. It's connected to our BST, or our accounting software, so we're able to get data that we, traditionally wasn't able to get, or we would have to email accounting and say, hey, do you have this project data, or, who worked on this project, and it's all in one place. It's all easy to find. It's all easy to report on. So it's really helped, our team a lot.